Mr. Variac.
I can see the snow.
Yeah, it is.
I think it's working.
Okay, it's officially at 110 on the front panel now. I'm not sure. Does it operate? It's supposed to be at 110 or 120.
Well, that's the things on top are set up for 110, so and not 120. So 110 means a ratio of 1 to 1, which means it's actually 120.
Okay, so this is giving out one. Well, you can look yourself.
What does the front screen say?
110. That's what I was saying.
I'll start showing the channel.
Sure. There's a little bit of a.
This thing's a bit inaccurate, though.
That's probably one of the knobs on the back.
Huh?
Yeah, they're all those knobs on back.
Yeah.
It's too dark.
I can try adjusting stuff, but
I just start with changing a couple channels. Oh yeah, it works, dude.
that's loud. Damn.
Yeah, this was literally fired right up. Holy shit.